Hello guys and girls, whether or not you're a member of SAES, which is San Andreas Emergency Services, I don't know, and I really don't care. This is just a tutorial on how to do stuff as a dispatcher. Uh, so we're going to be doing that, which also, if you really need help on this, I've also got another video. As this person, we're going to be creating a call out today for dispatch, and then going into dispatch's dashboard and running that call into a officer, which we'll use that call out in the next video so we can see exactly how to do all that. Anyways, alright, so as a civilian, your civilians are going to create call outs. We'll say this is going to be a call out for a armed man. Let's just say it's somebody carrying an assault rifle with a long rifle. Alright, so we're gonna say I mean, this can be a medium call out because there's no real know if it's just somebody advocating their right to bear arms or whether or not they're actually shooting. But we're gonna say that the address is 3113 Procopio Drive. Just give it a map page, which the map page, if you have landmarker numbers or block numbers on your map for your server, if that is, if you're using this for GTA 5. Alright, so well, we'll just say that the map number is 2119 is your block number. Location notes, on the corner of Procopio and cross streets. We'll just add a cross street, Procopio and US Route 1, Procopio and US Route 1. That's the location notes summary. He is standing around with a long rifle on his back. If I can type. Alright, there you go. We've submitted a call out to dispatch, which it's going to take a second to load that. It may not on your system. My system's pretty strong, but I'm also running a server and recording at the same time right now. So it's going to take me a second. I'll skip to where it loads. Alright guys, now we have a call out here. It's an open call. This is where it's going to show up for your civilian. Alright, so we're going to run over to the dispatch dashboard. That's wrong. Let's reload this. Okay, oh yeah, it's here, right here. I'm stupid. Alright, so as dispatch, you're going to go into your dispatch dashboard, where you can search names, licenses, bolos, etc. What we're gonna do is click the call out that shows up. It's probably gonna be in red for this. We're gonna use my unit number 1 Alpha 1. Priority 2, we could change it to 1 if we decided that the call was actually more of a bigger thing, or if it's not bigger, then you can drop it down to 3. Anyways, we can set this, we can say that they're en route to the location. We can change all this if they gave us a license plate number for a vehicle or something. Misspelled route. Anyways, this is going to be that. We're going to update. It'll take a few seconds for that to update. I'll skip back to when it's done updating. Oh, there it is anyways. Alright, so now it should be in gray, and one of your officers should have that call out. You can set somebody's availability here. We can set them to unavailable, busy, or available. We can search names here like we did in NCIC, or yeah, that's gonna be me. Search name. It'll bring you up inside NCIC in a different page. You'll get your items. Are they wanted? Do they have any warrants? Do they have a license? Do they have citations? Their age or date of birth, that is, name, and where they live. Anyways, alright, so you've already got that. That's done. You can also search extras. You can add them to a record, I mean. Okay. So you can get their name out, their age, we'll say 18, address, whatever. They've got a misdemeanor, felony, or whatever, you know, just whatever. I think actually okay, I'm wrong on that. Alright, anyways, now you can close that other tab, and now you have your name here. You can just delete that. Search licenses. I don't have a license plate set up yet, so I can't do that. You can set a bolo. We can manage a bolo here. You can add one. Description: black car or 4-door. See, robbery. We'll just say robbery as a reason. Note. We'll give them a note of last seen headed westbound on US route 1. Contact, you'd say who exactly gave you this information or whatever. Anyways, alright, so you add that. Now every cop you have should have an active bolo as 142623. That'd be, you could say that. That's what I'm trying to train my dispatchers to say is we have a black 4-door, last seen headed westbound US Route 1. They were wanted for robbery or something. Active bolo as 142623. That's just a nice little way to add a little more depth into your stuff, your roleplay. Contact, meaning who gave you this or whatever information, and it's pretty much almost it. We'll go ahead and look at unit management. It's pretty much the same thing as on your dashboard. You can just set everyone out of service, set all in service. Yeah, and we'll check out. You can also create callouts as the dispatcher. Traffic stop. Traffic stop is pretty easy. You just put in like, just say somebody calls out 1 Alpha 1 to dispatch. I have a black Cadillac Escalade. I already tried to do a video on this and I kind of messed up, so you know. License plate bearing 4 Edward Delta Charlie 724. Location East Alhambra, East Alhambra, block number 4233. You just go ahead and create that traffic stop. There's a limited amount of stuff that you can put on that one, but if you come over to here and an officer actually you can start talking to the officer about this. They've said they're on scene, you just go ahead and save the unit number in this one, because the other one, I don't know why it doesn't allow me to set unit numbers in there. Get your stuff there, get your cross street. We're going to put the map or the block number over here instead of here now. Alright, so we're going to update that. Alright, now we have two callouts we can mess with on cops. So I'm going to go ahead and say thank you for watching. If you'd like to join SAESRP, you can go ahead and head over to saesrp.misforums.com and click our server application after logging in with Steam, and you can go ahead and put in all your stuff here and submit. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the officer control panel video next time.